Unlike other automakers that play it safe and stick with conventional design solutions, Toyota plays its own game, questioning existing forms in the auto industry. As a result, they have a model like Crown Signia in their lineup, unique in so many ways. And now it's getting even better with the updates planned for the next year. Let's check 6 reasons to wait for the incredible 2026 Toyota Crown Signia. Number 6. Distinctive styling. The Crown Signia throws the conventional crossover design straight out the window. Toyota's designers went completely rogue with this one, creating something that looks like it rolled out of a premium European design studio rather than a mainstream assembly line. The front end hits you with this aggressive hammerhead shark face that's impossible to ignore. Ultra-thin LED headlights stretch across the entire width, creating this futuristic signature that screams expensive even from a distance. But here's where it gets interesting. The side profile breaks every crossover rule in the book. Instead of the typical rounded soccer mom aesthetic, you get this elevated wagon stance that's both sophisticated and edgy. At 60.6 inches tall with serious ground clearance, it towers over sedans, but maintains these clean, flowing lines that avoid the boxy look plaguing most SUVs today. Those massive 21-inch wheels aren't just for show either. They perfectly fill the arches and give the Crown Signia this planted premium stance that costs extra on luxury brands. The rear end continues the sophistication with full-width LED taillights that create this modern light signature you'll spot from blocks away. Clean lines, integrated spoiler elements, and perfectly positioned dual exhaust outlets show Toyota's attention to detail that rivals anything from Audi or BMW. This isn't just different styling. It's deliberately premium styling that positions the Crown Signia as something special in Toyota's lineup. Number 5. Lexus-level interior. Step inside the Crown Signia, and you'll immediately understand why luxury brands are worried. This cabin feels like it belongs in a vehicle costing $15,000 more. Soft touch materials cover practically every surface your hands will touch, while tasteful bronze accents add visual interest without looking flashy or cheap. The raised center console creates this cocoon-like driver environment that feels exclusive and premium. The leather-trimmed seats deserve special attention here. Toyota didn't just slap some basic leather on these seats, they feature unique perforation patterns, contrast stitching, and support that rivals what you'd find in a Lexus showroom. Available in either sophisticated black or rich saddle tan color schemes, the interior creates this upscale atmosphere that makes every drive feel like an event rather than just transportation. Technology integration is seamless throughout the cabin. Dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the dashboard, a digital instrument cluster behind the wheel, and a center touchscreen that responds quickly and looks crisp. But unlike some competitors who've gone completely digital, Toyota kept essential physical controls for climate and audio functions. Smart move, because these intuitive knobs and buttons make daily operation effortless without forcing you to dig through touchscreen menus. The overall cabin experience approaches Lexus territory in terms of refinement and build quality. Materials feel substantial, panel gaps are tight, and everything operates with that solid, expensive feel that separates premium vehicles from mainstream offerings. Number 4. Full load of tech features. Toyota loaded the Crown Signia with technology that puts many luxury brands on notice. The dual 12.3-inch display setup isn't just about screen size. The interface has been completely redesigned for better usability with intuitive menus and customizable settings that actually make sense. Navigation comes standard with cloud-based mapping that updates automatically, so you're never stuck with outdated information. Smartphone integration works flawlessly with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on every trim level. No more fumbling with cables or dealing with unreliable connections. Toyota's Drive Connect service enables intelligent voice commands using natural language processing, so you can speak normally instead of memorizing specific command phrases like some robot. The premium JBL audio system delivers impressive sound quality through 11 strategically placed speakers. Bass response stays tight, mid-range clarity remains excellent, and high frequencies stay crisp without becoming harsh at higher volumes. Even serious audiophiles will appreciate how accurately this system reproduces complex music. When it comes to charging options, they are abundant throughout the cabin. A wireless charging pad in the center console accommodates even the largest smartphones, while multiple USB-C ports serve both front and rear passengers. The Crown Signia even includes a 120-volt AC power outlet in the back, allowing passengers to plug in laptops or other devices requiring household power. Finally, over-the-air update capability means your Crown Signia can receive software improvements and new features throughout ownership, ensuring your vehicle stays current with the latest technological advancements without requiring dealer visits. Number 3. Safety Sense 3.0. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 represents the brand's most comprehensive driver assistance technology suite to date, and the Crown Signia benefits from every advancement. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection has been upgraded to better recognize cyclists and motorcyclists, even in challenging low-light conditions that often cause other systems to fail. Then, there's dynamic radar cruise control, which works across all speed ranges, from highway cruising down to complete stop-and-go traffic situations. The system maintains your preset distance from vehicles ahead while providing smooth acceleration and braking that feels natural rather than jerky or abrupt like some competing systems. We could also talk about systems like lane departure alert with steering assist, which keeps the Crown Signia properly centered in its lane and provides gentle correction if the vehicle begins to drift. The system is smart enough to distinguish between intentional lane changes and unintended drift, so it won't fight you during normal driving. Beyond these fundamentals, the Crown Signia introduces several features not found in most other Toyota models. Traffic Jam Assist provides limited hands-free driving capability in heavy congestion at speeds below 25 miles per hour, reducing driver fatigue during daily commutes. Proactive Driving Assist subtly helps with steering, braking, and acceleration to reduce overall driver workload during routine driving situations. Let's not forget the panoramic view monitor that gives a complete 360-degree bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking in tight spaces substantially easier and safer. Standard automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control come on every trim level. No need to pay extra for essential safety features that should be standard anyway. Number 2. Excellent hybrid powertrain. The Crown Signia's hybrid system pairs a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors for a combined output of 243 horsepower. That's plenty of power for daily driving while maintaining fuel economy numbers that leave conventional engines in the dust. EPA estimates show 41 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined, figures that outperform most competing hybrid models. The electronic, continuously variable transmission delivers smooth, responsive power without the typical rubber band effect that makes some CVTs feel disconnected or sluggish. Power delivery feels natural and immediate, whether you're merging onto highways or navigating city traffic. Standard all-wheel drive uses an innovative approach that adds capability without sacrificing efficiency. Instead of heavy, complex mechanical systems, Toyota uses an electric motor to power the rear wheels when traction is needed. During normal driving, the system prioritizes front-wheel drive for maximum fuel economy, but can instantly redirect power when wheel slip is detected. What's particularly worth mentioning is the intelligent all-wheel drive system that provides confidence-inspiring traction in various weather conditions without the weight penalty and efficiency loss associated with traditional mechanical all-wheel drive systems. The result is capability when you need it and efficiency when you don't. With fluctuating gas prices becoming the new normal, choosing the Crown Signia's hybrid system isn't just an environmental decision. It's a smart financial choice that could save thousands in fuel costs over several years of ownership. Number 1. Attractive pricing. Here's where the Crown Signia becomes truly compelling. Toyota has managed to keep pricing surprisingly reasonable despite offering near luxury quality and features. And the 2026 Crown Signia won't be any different. The base XLE trim starts around $40,000, while the well-equipped limited trim comes in at approximately $45,500. The top-tier Platinum trim, featuring every available technology and luxury amenity, carries a starting price around $53,000. These figures represent extraordinary value considering the vehicle's premium positioning and extensive feature content. Similar vehicles from luxury manufacturers would easily require $10,000 to $15,000 more for comparable features and build quality. The Crown Signia essentially delivers a luxury experience without the luxury price premium. Even compared to Toyota's own Highlander hybrid, the Crown Signia makes a compelling case. While the Highlander offers more cargo space and optional third-row seating, the Crown Signia provides more sophisticated styling, better fuel economy, and a more premium interior experience, all while starting at a lower price point. Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability and strong resale values further enhances the Crown Signia's value proposition. The standard 2-year, 25,000-mile complimentary maintenance program adds additional savings by covering routine service for the first 2 years of ownership. When considering total cost of ownership, purchase price, fuel savings, maintenance costs, and projected resale value, the Crown Signia becomes not just an emotional choice, but a rational financial decision that makes perfect sense. But the Crown Signia isn't the only stylish crossover worth waiting for. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Mazda CX-5, which you can now see on the screen. Once planned to be axed, the CX-5 is now coming completely redesigned, and once again it will be the gold standard in the segment.